So today we're going to be talking about long division, and our first example here is going to be one without a remainder. So we have 3,430 divided by 7. So what we're going to do first is write the 3,430, and then put the house over it because that's what is being divided, and then we're dividing it by 7, so we write that on the outside. So the largest number that can go into 34 that is also divisible by 7 is 28, and that is 7 times 4. So we're going to write the 4 up here on top of the house, and 7 times 4 is 28, so that's what we'll write underneath right here. And we will subtract this 28 from the 34. So to do that, we're going to take 10 from the 3, making that a 2, and this a 14. So we have 14 minus 8, which is 6, and then 2 minus 2, which is 0. Now we're going to bring down this 3 from the 30, and draw an arrow for that. So we have 63, and conveniently, 7 times 9 does equal 63. So I'll write a 9 up here, so that we have 7 times 9 equals 63. We'll write that right down here. We'll subtract these from each other, which is 0, and bring down this 0 at the end of the number, and 7 times 0 equals 0. So we'll write another 0 up here, have the 0 down here, subtract that, which once again is 0. So our answer for this problem is 490. Now in this problem over here, we do have a remainder in the end. So once again, we're going to write the 346, and we're going to put the house over that one because that's what's being divided, and then we put the 7 on the outside. And the number that can go into 34 while being the largest amount and still being divisible by 7 is 28, and that is 7 times 4 once again. So 7 times 4 is 28. That's what we'll write right underneath here. And so we're going to subtract the 28 from the 34 once again, so that the 3 becomes a 2, the 4 becomes a 14 because we took 10 from the 3. So 14 minus 8 is 6, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we're going to bring down this 6 from the end of 346, so that we have 66. And the number that goes into that the most is, once again, 63, which is 7 times 9. So I'll write that up here. 7 times 9 is 63. But when we subtract this, if we don't get 0, we get a 3. So we have a remainder here of 3. And so in the past, you might have just said 49R3, like the R being remainder. But how we're going to do it now is you're going to write 49 and 3 7s. And we're dividing that by 7 because this number is what is left that still needs to be divided by that 7. So this is showing that we have 3 points left that have not been divided by that 7 yet. So for your answer for this, if you were to do a remainder, will be 49 and 3 7s.